Welcome, YouTube. Redneck from Washington. Back at it again. I'm on storm watch. Yesterday I woke up at 5 o'clock, got to the yard, did my 8. My boss told me that we're going to the yard around 3:30. 4 o'clock comes. The first crew rolled out. Then the crew I'm with rolled out. A windstorm came through King County, Pierce, and surrounding areas. 30 to 40 mile winds, gusts. We went from 4 o'clock being on a standby, and we didn't get off a road last night, until at least 11 o'clock, 11:30, somewhere between 11 and 12 at night. All being on standby storm watch. We did go out. We did have a lot of trees come down in the wind. But then again, 40-mile gust winds and trees that don't have a good footing after a prolonged rain come down, knocked multiple power lines down, multiple power poles down. And I checked the power outage map through my power supplier. My boss just started the truck, and I think we're getting ready to roll out again. Multiple lines, multiple power poles. I checked the power outage map. It was 30 plus cities that I've seen, and over 420,000 people affected without power. Multiple gas stations were shut down due to no power. Multiple gas stations were filled, lines backed up with people getting gas for their generators. We're on the roll. I'll continue this video as I'm driving. Multiple gas stations were shut down due to due to no power. Multiple gas stations were backed up with people getting gas for the generators. A spot we went to yesterday, at least a 3 mile, maybe a 4 mile stretch of nothing but downed trees and power lines. Power poles split in half, broken in half. We spent a good portion of the night on one spot. We spent at least 4 hours trying to clear it. Damn. That was bad. Tree came down and split a shed right in half. One spot we spent at least 4 hours trying to clear, that it was that bad. If you're watching this and you live in King County or Pierce County and you still have no power other than a generator, just please be patient. We are doing our best to clear the trees off from the power lines, and there is so many lines down that the power company is working round the clock 24/7 right now, putting lines back up. Ambulance just went by. Lights, sirens blaring. Please be patient. We are doing our best. There is so much to do right now. We can't just stop on one and go to another area that's got no power when the area that we're at has no power and we need to clear it. There is 4 crews in a South King County district. And I'm with the yard that I'm the yard that I'm asked to attend, there's 3 crews out of that yard. The other yard is in Enum Scratch. It's nicknamed Enum Scratch. It's also nickname is the redhead stepchild of Seattle. Okay, we're not turning. And the crew out of Enumclaw is actually starting to park their trucks in the Auburn Yard right now due to the storm. I will be posting videos of some of the spots. I do have my GoPro running right now. I have been using my GoPro running, and I just wanted to make this quick video in reference of life of being a flagger, my second to the last video I had put out. Second to the last or third to the last. Don't know which one it is. Can't remember. We have been going back and forth from Covington, Enumclaw, Auburn, Federal Way, Kent, Maple Valley, and a few other cities I know I'm missing it that's in there. I don't know where we're going right now because I'm making a video. And I can't pull up my map without cutting the video. And I don't want to try to splice it together. But I'm asking you, if you're without power, other than without, if you don't have power and you're stuck using a generator, I am asking you, just be patient. We are doing what we can with the resources that we got. The crews from Eastern Washington just can't come over here because they got power outages over there too. They got to take care of their own district. But I'm asking you, just be patient. You will get your power back on. We're just doing what we can. We ran yesterday. They started work, the crew I'm with, they start 7:30 in the morning. They clock off at 4 because of daylight savings time. We normally start at 7 and end at 3:30. But we went to, we clock off at 4 now. And we went from 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon to at least midnight from what I heard one crew did. One crew actually went till 1 o'clock in the morning. Just running, going. And we spent the night at a hotel. We got less than 6 hours of sleep. We got up at 3 o'clock this morning. Some of the crew members got up earlier than that. Started getting everything together, getting all the trucks warmed up, and everything, checking the oil, all the fluids. We've been going since 5 o'clock this morning, non-stop. We park one spot. We park at one place to wait for a call. We park at one place to wait for a call. 5 minutes later, call comes in. Go. It's not that we're nitpicking or anything. It's the severity of the requirement of the power getting back on. Say someone has a defibrillator that they need, or they're on a life support and they're running out of resources like gasoline or diesel for their generators, or they're running out of funds to supply the fuel for that generator, and they're needing their power back on. That's the severity of the call. We're not nitpicking. The boss, we go where the head boss tells us to go. He tells us to go where PSE tells him that we need to go. Okay. They're up there. But just be patient. We're doing our best. All right. Thanks for watching.